Yes, good afternoon, scholars. These are the directions for the um, water cycle assignment. This is the summary. Remember, so you go in Edgenuity. We talked about the water cycle. You reviewed it, and this is the directions for the actual project that you have to do. So you can either make a model of it, 3D model, or you can just do a poster board. So some of the materials you can use: large poster boards, scissors, markers, crayons, or colored pencils, glue, tape, and pencils. So for step one, you are expected to do the following. You're either going to make a model of the water cycle, or as I said, you can actually draw it. You are also going to be responsible for writing 2 typewritten paragraphs describing the water cycle for the project. You're going to read through the guide before you begin so you know what the expectations are. You're going to pay particular attention to the instructions you need to follow to create a model on your poster board. If anything is not clear, just ask me through the Google Classroom or while we're online in class. So you're just going to start with the blank poster board. Be sure to put your name on it. You're going to either draw the parts of the water cycle or print the images on the construction to construct a model of your poster board. You're going to gather any drawing tools that you need or print any images you want to use on it. So you can create the model, again, 3D, or you can draw it. Your model should include bodies of water such as lakes, oceans, organisms in the air and land. Draw arrows to indicate how water moves within an ecosystem and between organisms and their environment. Be sure to include the sun and gravity in your model. Include short phrases on your poster that summarize what is occurring at each stage of the water cycle. Step 5, you're going to write a short paragraph describing the water cycle. Be sure to use full sentences and proper grammar. Again, you can ask me where you should save your work. Basically, you either take a picture or save the draft and you just upload it and send it to me as a link. So again, make sure you go back and evaluate the rubric. See that you have all the things in your rubric. Your name is on the poster. Does your poster show the bodies of water, organisms, air, and land? Did you draw the arrows to connect the different components of the water cycles within the ecosystem and between the organisms? Did you include your short phrases on your poster to summarize what occurs at each stage of the water cycle? Did you write 1 or 2 paragraphs describing the water cycle in full sentences? So step 7, revise and submit your project. Be sure to check off all the items on the checklist. Go back and make sure that your poster and paragraphs are complete. Save your typewritten paragraphs for submission. And you just take a picture of your poster board and upload it in the Edgenuity, and you send that to me so I can grade it. Okay? When your typed paragraphs are complete, return to the virtual classroom and use your Add Files option to locate and submit this portion of your assignment. Okay? So those are directions for the Water Cycles project.